The recent protest by a section of students of Sikkim Government College, Gyaltshin, took an ugly turn after 2 of the protesting students were arrested and many others detained by the police on 5th February. The students had been staging a protest since February 2 outside the Education Department building at Tashilin's secretary in Gangtok, demanding a dialogue with the department officials to discuss expediting the construction of the college infrastructure. The students also demanded a meeting with the Education Minister, Kunga Nima Lipcha. As per reports, 2 students were detained on various charges following a police complaint filed by Education Additional Chief Secretary G.P. Upadhyay accusing them as trespassing and wrongful restraint. The 2 students who have been arrested by Sadar Thana police are members of the Students' Representative Council. According to the students, the college has been under construction for the last 11 years, and after protests were held in Gyaltshin last year, the Chief Minister gave them written assurance in March that all work would be completed in 3 months. They alleged that even after the government relaxed rules and allowed construction works to resume, the construction of the college did not resume. The students claim their grievances are falling on deaf ears as the concerned department has been placing the excuse of COVID-19 for hampering the progress of the college construction. Meanwhile, Political Secretary to Chief Minister Jacob Khalin, while addressing a press conference, claimed that the college students' protests had presence of few anti-establishment individuals. Khalin alleged that they were being misled by agent provocators and even alluded that they might have been involved in more mischief not only in other protests in Sikkim but also possibly the incidents surrounding the farmer protests in New Delhi recently.
भारत सरकार के इंटेलिजेंस विंग से यहाँ सिक्किम क्रांतिकारी मोर्चा जो सत्ता में है, जिम्मेवारी पूर्वक विनती करता हूँ, रिक्वेस्ट करता हूँ कि इन लोगों के ऊपर भी जांच करे। कहीं 26 जनवरी के कांड जो दिल्ली में देश के अपमान होने के लिए हुआ और हमारा मान शान राष्ट्रीय झंडा लाल किला से उतार दिया, कहीं इन लोगों का भी हाथ तो नहीं है, क्योंकि ये लोग भी सिक्किम से फार्मर्स बिल के प्रोटेस्ट में सिंधु बॉर्डर में जाके बहुत लंबा चौड़ा भाषण दिया था और हिंसा करने के उकसाने वाले शब्दों का इन लोगों ने प्रयोग किया था। जिम्मेवारी के साथ बोल रहा हूं, मैं भारत सरकार को बोल रहा हूं, ये वीडियो मैं भारत सरकार को एवरी इंटेलिजेंस विंग्स को भेजूंगा कि ये लोग सिक्किम का फार्मर्स नहीं है।
On the work done for Gyaltshin Government College, Khalin stated that the infrastructure development plans were delayed due to the COVID-19 pandemic and not because of this interest. He alleged that the previous SDF government, after having acquired land for the project, had allowed campus development to fall by the wayside and informed that after SKM formed the government, not only did it clear Rs 5 crores in pending dues for the project, but also called tenders for a Rs 35 crore Phase 2 development of the campus. Khalin also stressed that the Chief Minister, the state government and the Education Department was also serious about meeting the needs of the college and its students. It may be mentioned that Gyaltshin Government College has been without proper campus since 2010. With Deepa Gurung, Gangtok.